Every once in a while, Windrock will offer a special shuttle all the way up to the top of the mountain to ride Windmill. We had caught wind that they were going to do a run to Windmill at the end of the day. My friend Ollie had actually ridden Windmill previously, and so I wanted the chance to ride Windmill myself. We got dropped off somewhere around 5 o'clock. It took about 30 minutes to make it up from the bottom.
What? I'm coming.
Are you guys doing Windmill?
Well, I mean,
I've been here, but yeah, it's a nice opener. Have you seen this opener? Come and have a look. It's a nice view over here. Woo! Well, you can follow us. It sure is. Yeah, but this is famous. Windmill's famous for. Sure. You guys just want to take the road back.
it might not be a bad idea. Have you guys ridden this before?
I
No.
rode it once before, a long time ago. I don't remember the way, but. Okay, well.
Oh.
I'll drop in though. I don't care. I'm gonna go get back to my one.
I felt like somebody I've gotten dropped off to be killed or something up here.
Yeah, exactly, dude. I think we're all feeling the same. Safety in numbers here.
Yeah, there's a turn, and then I remember there's like a drop.
You need to line up for the perfectly. Would you like to leave?
I don't know if I remember it that well. Let's go.
Oh my. I might love that. I'm sure it's fun.
Good riding.
I'll get at it.
The views were amazing, and as we went down this ledge, I was very thankful that I had gone on this ride. I actually ended up losing the rest of my GoPro footage, but I certainly wanted to post what I had.
Last word.
I love you, darling.
I told him not to go.
It looks like you almost want to go.
It was awesome.
Went to war.
Yeah, I feel about like it.
Gotta get the glasses.
Windmill.
Woo! I got it.
Heck yeah. Woo! Yeah.